Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here, and I'm here to talk to you about phonics for today. Our learning target for this week is I can demonstrate between short and long vowel sounds. Boys and girls, yesterday we began to talk about our vowels, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Yesterday we talked that we have short vowels and long vowels. When there are short vowel sounds, we listen to the sound the vowel says. And yesterday we focused on that short I vowel sound. That short I says I. Short I vowel sounds, let's listen. We talked about yesterday the word big, big has a short I vowel sound, and hit, it, hit. And when, and the word kid, and the word bin, the N. Today we're going to talk about the long vowels, and long vowels say their name. So the week before spring break, we talked about that long A vowel sound in the word cake, and also that long E vowel sound in the word eat. Let's listen for that long I vowel sound. The long I is going to say I in the word because long vowels say their name. Are you ready? Miss Singer is going to stretch out this word kite, and listen for that I sound. Kite. Did you hear it? The vowel I say its name in the word kite. Stretch out the word with me. Kite. Good job. We heard that long vowel I in the word kite. Now let's listen to Pete the Cat Rides a Train. Let's find the long I vowel sounds. Pete the Cat Rides the Train. Pete the Cat is right on time. Pete loves to ride the train. He can't wait to see Grandma. Pete, Mom, and Bob sit side by side for the train ride. The conductor likes Pete. He invites Pete to ride by his side. Pete says hi to the engineer. The engineer drives the train. He drives inside the tunnel. Yikes! It is dark, but Pete is not frightened. Goodbye, says the engineer. Pete does not want the train ride to end. Grandma is right on time. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves Grandma even more. All right, boys and girls, did you see any long I vowel sounds? Let's see. These are some words that Miss Tigner saw in that has that long I vowel sound, and the word Pete in the story Pete the Cat Rides the Train. I saw this word, ride. The vowel I says its name in the word ride. What about this word? Like. Like has this long I vowel sound too. What about this word? Time. Time has that long I vowel sound. And I also found one more. Drives. Drives has that long I vowel sound saying its name. Can you think of any other words that have that long I vowel sound? Let's talk about those words tomorrow. I hope you all have a great day.